Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Confirm that your webmail offers a map or Exchange ActiveSync and retrieve incoming and outgoing server names, ports, and security settings. Once done, open Outlook and choose Add Account. Do not skip entering the full email address. If your account uses multi-factor authentication, make sure to create an app password before proceeding. This prevents sign-in blocks. These steps avoid common failures and get you into the configuration flow immediately, so you can complete setup without delay. You now perform the manual setup. Select Manual Setup or Advanced Options, then pick a map for folder sync or Exchange if available. Enter the incoming server, choose SSL/TLS, and set the port, typically 993 for a map. Then enter the SMTP server with port 587 and startles. Make sure your username matches the full email format and paste the app password when required. Once the credentials are entered, click Test Account Settings to verify both incoming and outgoing connections. This confirms folders and sendability. You finish by mapping folders. Set sent, drafts, and trash to the server copies, and configure sync frequency and offline download limits to match your workflow. Once Outlook completes initial sync, confirm message counts and folder structure match webmail. If labels appear as folders, unsubscribe unwanted ones to tidy view. If things go wrong, recheck ports and encryption, confirm the auth method matches the provider, try an app password, and temporarily disable local firewall or antivirus. This single troubleshooting step resolves most connection failures.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.